In this tutorial, we will cover the customer engagement feature in Lighthouse Business Manager. Enter your email address and password to sign in. Customer engagement allows you to create promotions and then to email those out to various customers that have entered their email address into SkyTab. Once signed in, move your mouse to Customers on the left-hand side. A panel will open to the right. Click on Engagement. Under Campaigns, you will see current and former promotions that you have already set up. To set up a new campaign, move your mouse to the right and click New Campaign. Choose what type of campaign that you wish to start. For this example, we will do a Welcome New Customer campaign. Click the radio button next to Welcome New Customer. You will have an example template appear. Now click on Next in the right bottom corner. Give the campaign a name that lets you know what you are trying to accomplish with this promotion. Enter the email subject header here. This will let your customer know why you are sending them this email. You can choose to send the emails from a no-reply email address or an email that you wish to have associated with the campaign. This is up to you. In this example, we will choose to send the emails from a no-reply address. Next, enter a name that the email will be from. Choose yours or the name of the restaurant. If you chose to send from a no-reply email address, the email field will be unavailable. If you did not want to send from a no-reply email address, enter your restaurant's email address. Now, move the mouse to the right and click Next. Choose which customers will receive the campaign email. Click Next. In the design window, you can upload a different image and change the description to include what kind of promotion that you are extending to the customer. Click Next. Now review your campaign. If you need to make any changes, click back on the bottom right-hand side of this window. If all the settings are correct, click Start Campaign. You will now be taken back to the customer engagement dashboard. Here you will get a status on the campaigns. You can see how many emails have been sent out, how many were opened, etc.